Okay, so a quick look at exercise 3C. Again, the focus of this chapter is more about singular and plural nouns and also adjectives. You'll find that adjectives, like if you take a quick look at this one right here, Cornelius est vir Romanos means Cornelius is a Roman man. Vir Romanus, the us ending. Vir there's no, it's not virus, so this sort of departs from the way many masculine nouns are done. But masculine nouns, just as a quick heads up, masculine nouns that you'll see will end like this, or this, or this. And three examples there would be servus, puer, and vir. Um, so I'll leave that there for a second. Um, but when the man becomes plural here, he becomes vir becomes viri, and the adjective also changes. So this is called the agreement of adjectives and nouns, viri Romani. This is also something that takes a little getting used to in Latin. It's not viri Romanus because the adjective also becomes plural. Vir Romanus is singular and viri Romani is plural. So we're skipping 3b, which asks to change from singulars to plurals, and I do expect that you will have read this part now in order to do 3c. Here's where the singulars and the plurals are detailed, and I would certainly look this over carefully too. And we'll take a look at, let's say, 3 of exercise 3c here. So change plurals to singulars now. So these are all plural noun and noun adjective pairs, you could say. Amicae defeci means tired friends. So if you look up here, the feminine plural ending is ae or I. So if we want to make that singular, sorry, I should keep this here for a second. If we want to go from plural to singular, we go from I to a. So we have amicae defeci. Sorry to keep moving this around. Here we go. If we want to singularize that plural there, we will say amica defesa, the tired friend. Number 2, servi erati. The word eratus or erata means angry. So servi erati means tired slaves. And that is a masculine. Those are masculine. This there. The word servus we see here. Servus is singular and servi is plural. Keeping track of singulars and plurals is one of the main challenges in the beginning stages here. So this ends with an S, so many are tempted to say servus means slaves. That's a very common mistake in my classes. So servus is a singular slave and servi are plural slaves. So if we go back here, we have servi erati. And if we want to singularize that, make that a singular angry slave, we're going to say servus eratus, angry slave. Number 3, puellae Romani means Roman girls. Again, the AE ending, the feminine plural ending. And if we want to make that singular, very similar to number 1 here, we say puella Romana. And certainly we've seen that in the story about Cornelia herself. Cornelia est puella Romana. But we also saw Cornelia et Flavia sunt puellae Romanae. So there's 3 examples from 3C. I think you'll find that most of these do follow that same pattern. If you've got AE endings, they become singular A endings. And if you have the long I endings, they become us endings for the most part, except for viri, which we've seen the singular as vir right here. And then pueri does not become puerus or something like that. It is simply puer for the singular boy. Okay, that's it. I'll stop there and we'll do a couple from 3E in the next video.